The GOM that has been constituted by the Prime Minister is full of fraud, deception and cheating with the Indian people. Now let me name two ministers which he has. Forget about Sharad Pawar for the time being. Chidambaram, he was the one who in 2005 brought UBS into India against all rules of Reserve Bank of India. They handled the sleaze bank. In Obama had arrested these UBS fellows in America and they paid $900 million as penalty and also released 5,000 names as a condition for getting released. Number one, he brought 8 Italian banks in 2005. He brought one mafia bank from Nepal called Everest Bank. His wife, Nalini Chidambaram, when I as an income tax department, our department had raided Hassan Ali in Pune and also Kashi Ram Tapuria, his main accomplice who has been arrested yesterday and who has been slammed. His wife, Nalini Chidambaram, when he was the finance minister, P. Chidambaram appeared on behalf of Kashi Ram Tapuria in Calcutta High Court and got him the bail. And I don't know how much this couple charged, hundreds of crores of rupees from Hassan Tapuria. How can he be on this GOM when he should be behind bars? He has no business to be there even as a minister in this government. So, first objection, like Sharad Pawar has gone, Sharad Pawar should also be sacked as a minister. It is not enough that he was an accomplice of Dawood Ibrahim in the DB reality along with Shahid Balwa. Number 3, Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee again on Kashi Ram Tapuria. Whenever he used to go to Calcutta, he used to stay at his house, eat dinner at his house and eat breakfast at his house. There has been a fake currency scam in Reserve Bank of India. CBI raided RBI vaults in 2010 August. They found fake currency notes in the RBI. The cabinet secretary briefed a meeting in August, it's a small thing, that the template of where they were being printed by, it was a man called Roberto Guerrero. He deliberately, minutely altered the template, and what he did, he was supplying those fake notes to ISI, which were all coming into India at the rate of 50 rupees for 500. In India, they are selling at 250. In Nepal, they are available at 150. This man is doing nothing. These two gentlemen are nothing but henchmen of these powers, and therefore, they will not be allowed to sit on the GOM. They will have to go and put behind bars by the government.